This is PhishFence. Let's add a brand new domain and turn on email security from scratch. One dashboard for brand protection, email security, and domain health across every domain you protect. Adding a domain is one field. Type it, hit add, and PhishFence starts scanning it right away. Open email security and you see exactly where the new domain stands. SPF and DKIM are found, but there is no DMARC yet, so anyone can still spoof you. The posture report spells out every gap in plain English. One click turns on email security, and PhishFence hands you the exact DMARC record to publish, starting safely at p=none. It begins collecting reports, then walks you from monitoring to full protection, one safe step at a time. Start free at phishfence.io.